So in paging the guest, there are some hotels have a policy where they ask the guest, if the guest says that I'm going out, or I'm expecting somebody, or I'll be in the swimming pool, or maybe in the gym, or maybe in the parlor, anywhere. So what they do is they have a performer or the form where the form in the form the guest has to just mention where he will be, where if in case anything is anything urgent we need to contact him, that performer need to be filled up by the guest where the details will be mentioned, and that will be informed in the telephone operator if any calls received, and that particular information will be kept in the front desk, and that particular information will be kept in the bell desk as well, so that in case if anybody comes to meet the guest or any phone calls comes, then everybody is aware that we need to where we need to contact the guest. It basically saves the time of the front desk. Next we have mail and message handling. So mail and message handling is sometimes if the guest is not there in the room, or if you are maybe you have received a call or somebody has come to meet the guest, so the front desk will collect the message, or we will, if if there is a telephone call from the from somebody for the particular guest, the telephone operator will take the message for the guest, and that message will be written in a message slip and will be put in the envelope, the message envelope, and the bellboy will take that particular message and he will go up to the room and he will slip in the message envelope from outside, from the main door, and because once the guest is back in the room, once he opens the door he will be able to get the message. So that way the message handling has been done. Then we have the delivery of newspapers. Delivery of newspapers are done by the night shift bellboys. The bell captain obtains the room verification reports, which rooms are occupied and all, and accordingly the bellboys will be distributing the newspaper in the morning. They will slip in the newspaper from the main door. They will not ring the bell, they will not disturb the guest, so they will slip in the newspaper from the main entrance, and this is basically a English newspaper been given to all the guests, no other language newspaper. If there is a particular request by the guest, then only on special ground, then only the hotel agrees to brings them a Hindi newspaper or the regional language or some other language newspaper. But other than that, every hotel have a policy of distributing a English newspaper. Then we have the other function is the collection of room keys at the time of departure. So when the guest is checking out, the bellboys will be there in his room to collect his luggage. While coming down to the lobby, the bellboys will collect the room key from the guest. This is the duty of the or responsibility of the responsibility of the bellboy to collect the key card from the guest. The bell next function we have is the miscellaneous function. The bellboys have various functions need to be taken care by, say postage stamps handling, or maybe some going out to malls for the guest, or carrying out say some or getting out movie tickets for the guest, and some basically foreign tourists, their requirements are like they used to buy the postcards which are available in India, and they want to send it to their friends or family. So the bellboy has to go to the post office to post that particular cards for the guest, and the bellboy has to also go to deposit the C forms in the police station. So C forms have been made for the foreign guest. So once the foreign guest arrives, the C forms will be made, and after that the bellboys will be going to the police station, nearby police station, to deposit that C forms. So there are lot many responsibilities or or we can say extra work need to be done by the bellboys. Then we have the last function, that is wake up call. Wake up call in some hotels, wake up call to groups and crews coordinated by bell desk. In some hotels they have the front desk handles it, the wake up call, or the night bellboy handles the wake up call. So it is the wake up call is something like when a guest requests for a call, you need to we have a register, wake up call register in the front desk where you mention the wake up call, or there's a system in the telephone also where against the room number you can put the alarm as a wake up call. So the if it's mentioned in the register, the bellboy while taking the information from the guest need to check with the guest whether the guest needs an reminder call, in the sense they once they take a call, suppose a guest says I need a wake up call at 7 o'clock, so you need to find out with the guest if he needs a reminder at 7:15. Sometimes it might happen that we all human beings have a habit that we want to sleep for another 5 minutes, so that possibility that guest might get delayed. So you need to check with the guest if there is any requirement of a reminder call. If the guest says no, then you can just give a wake up call at the particular time being requested by the guest. Or hotels also have a telephones which are like where you can set your wake up call, so that needs to inform to the guest also that if you want to set your wake up call by your own, you can do that, but some prefer to inform the reception or the bell desk to give them a wake up call. So that is completely depends on the guest. So these are the responsibilities, or we can say functions, basically functions of the bell desk which need to be handled or which need to be done by every bellboys whichever shift they are in. So this is their regular duty. On regular basis, on a everyday basis, they need to do all these duties. And hope I am clear. So if you have any doubts, you can check, you can call me, or you can anytime, if whenever you feel like, you can ask me. Thank you.